Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create and send email campaigns on Shopify. If you want to create and send email campaigns directly from your Shopify store, you can do it using an email marketing app integrated inside Shopify. This allows you to collect subscriber emails, design promotional messages, and send campaigns without leaving your store dashboard. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Apps. Then open the Shopify App Store since we can't find it here on the Picked For You section. Go to the search bar and type in email and search for an email pop-up in Marketing app that allows both subscriber collection and campaign sending. We're going to select the Send Well pop-up email marketing option for now. Once you check its status, click on Install and approve the required permissions so it can access your store data. Once the app is opened, click on the Create Campaign button. Click on Select Template to choose the type of template you want. Select the template from the options presented and customize the design to match your brand colors and typography. Edit the subject line to what you want and make it compelling as well. You can also change all the parameters and variables there. Click on the Content button on top and edit every section starting from your header up to your footer. Keep your layout simple and mobile-friendly. Avoid overcrowding the email with too many images or long paragraphs, since most customers will read it on their phones. Once you're done, click on the Save button on the top. Now you can enter your campaign name. Choose the audience for your email. You can send it to all subscribers or filter by new subscribers, returning customers, or other available segments. Now choose whether to send the email immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. Then click on Save. After sending, monitor your campaign performance inside the Analytics section. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.